Fellas? Are you taking it easy, Kyle? No, not always. Are you fucking looking at the thing?
Oh yeah, Steve's so far the only one that can figure it out.
I didn't even try.
Very slow process. But we'll get there.
That's good progress, man.
Okay, so
Doggy.
Doggy?
You need a doggy.
Doggy.
Doggy go.
This is a doggy.
that's fist bump.
Doggy goes.
There's only 2 shapes, I think.
Oh, there's 4.
Oh, is there 4?
Yeah.
Ah. I used to sell this. I should probably know fucking more about it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah. Oh, those are the same, aren't they?
No.
Well, they're subtly different.
Yeah. That's why Steve called this one the penis.
Perfect.
That's the fist pump.
The fist pump.
Thumbs
there's
up.
Thumbs up.
Doggy.
Dog. Okay. I can live with that.
Permacon recommends this first pattern, so that's what we're learning.
Permacon recommends the first pattern. Thankfully.
So Kyle's about
Yeah,
to take
the
care
harder
of
one, obviously.
That's the harder one?
Yeah. That's why they recommend it, I guess.
That's why they recommend it.
Yeah.
Wall turned out good, eh?
Yeah.
Looks nice. You guys put triple mix all through the garden?
Sorry?
Is triple mix all through the garden?
Yeah, also the
Nice.
at least 8 inches.
Perfect. Looks good, man. Looks really good. I really like it.
Yeah,
Looks,
we did the best we can.
I think it looks
here.
way better than it would have.
Oh, with one here for sure.
Yeah.
That's as tight as we can get it to the fence. Because
That's
I don't
fine.
want to destroy the fence or nothing.
No, I don't want to destroy the fence. The fence is brand new. Apparently the fence is moving a couple inches. How
Yeah.
fucked up is your eye now? Did you go to the doctor?
No.
Now it's all bloodshot.
I know. The swollen went down. Now it's getting all
It is.
bloodshot.
It is actually looking as fucked up as it looks currently. It looks better than it did on Friday.
I'm going to see a new family doctor next Saturday. So if it's not gone by then, I'll get it looked at.
That'll only have been 3 weeks, Rick.
So we still have a new fucking family doctor.
That's true.
No, I actually got.
There was some guy that figured out it's actually faster to go to medical school and train to be a doctor than to get a new family doctor.
I believe it.
Like he actually did the math on it. And it was like a 7-year wait or something. He's like, I could go to school and become a doctor. Faster than that.
Oh, since you're here, Mike,
Yeah.
the fucking walkway over here.
Yeah.
Is there going to be a 6-inch step or is it going flat?
Where? At least there's enough 3/4 under this patio.
Oh,
It's gonna be a step.
6-inch step.
Yeah. Yeah. There's no step here. Oh, I see what you're saying.
It's gonna have fall, but not that much fall.
Well, if you got to put a step in here, you got to put a step in here. You're talking about putting a step across. Where does the walkway start?
It's here.
That's where the walkway starts? This is all dirt in here?
That's all grass.
That's weird. Are you sure?
According to my drawing, eh? According to Nancy.
Okay, so I think we got to put a step here, Rick. For getting some dimensional stone and throwing a step in here to fix the whole walkway, I think that's because this needs to go out and around, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This is sod in here.
Yeah. They wanted this interlock for their
Garbage cans, yeah.
I told Nancy I'm not cutting in around here, so we're just gonna fucking do river rock.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes more sense. I don't know. River rock. Yeah. And then we're just doing pavers through here. This is Eva though with Squadra. Not the. It's not that. That paver's only in that circle.
Yeah.
It's not everywhere.
No.
Yeah. Your eye actually does look much better in this light. Maybe it was the way the light was hitting it at the other place. It looked, or because you're looking this way, the fucking blood part is hidden.
Yeah, it's only when it looks.
Try to keep looking that way for the rest of the day. Just look the other way.
Just look left.
Yeah. That we'll have to dig out by hand.
Yeah.
If you want me, I can send Jesse here with a wheelbarrow if you want.
Yeah, like I said, we're just make it around.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unless we're putting the staff in, I gotta put the staff in.
Well, you could bring that from here too.
Yeah, I really don't fucking manhandle it. Still
No,
get
no,
it
I'm
here.
talking about doing. We'll build it out of dimensional.
Oh, dimension stone. Okay.
Yeah, like Brussels. Like you can do an 8 like if you did Brussels just under here, under that,
Yeah.
then that gives you lots of, like do an 8-inch step, just like a wall,
Yeah.
and then that'll be a break point.
Okay.
That's a good idea. Man, there's a lot of rock in this backyard now.
Oh, yeah.
Nancy's gonna fill all this with some kind of sedums that grow.
Yeah, she's getting some of the vines. She found some in the front.
Yeah.
She's gonna dig them up, fucking plant them all through here.
Yeah, and then she said they'll grow over the wall. Yeah. Do you need Ross for anything tomorrow?
Well, I was kind of hoping if I get this laid, get this soil.
Sure.
I don't want to leave this just kind of.
No, I agree. So if you want Ross, like, basically what I'm gonna, like, I just opened up the dump at Trafalgar Castle School. So basically what Ross is gonna be doing is driving back and forth from the yard, dumping, getting rid of that dirt that's in the yard.
Okay.
But if you need him to bring soil, then he'll be available. He can bring soil.
I like how at the end of the day, because
Well, he'll be.
Jordan said he might be here tomorrow or Wednesday to get that fucking bone rock installed.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, but if he's Ross will just be in the yard, and Cody's. I don't know. There's a guy saying he might dig a pool, but he hasn't confirmed. So, but Ross will be in the yard, so he can. I was gonna get him to run bins of dirt down to the dump.
Yeah.
But there's probably 50, 60 yards, so he's going to be 5 bins at least. So, and there might be other bins that drop off, but he can come here anytime. So is that step 6-6?
Yeah.
Right behind the circle, you're just going to do like river rocks?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, let's keep it out about a foot.
Yeah.
I think if Fred and I ever did win the lottery and did a happy dance, it would be pretty close to the Dancing in the Dark dance. You know? With Courtney Cox, you know, that little sort of
Wild how high that is, eh?
shuffle thing. Looks so bad. Yeah. But we wouldn't care because we would be millionaires and it wouldn't matter. Springsteen's going to be here November 3rd.
But when I set the wall, I set the wall 2 inches higher than
on stage,
Yeah.
lower top grade.
performing and
So up there is actually
going
2
on
inches
about
higher
all
than
these farewell
bottom
tours
stuff here.
we're hearing about.
Because this is just stepping. Do you want me to pick out the stepping stones? Oh, is that enough of them?
It calls for 3. Those broke off the armor stone, so we showed Kevin and them. They love them, so we'll
Okay.
just place them there.
Perfect.
This past
Great.
year and late last year, they are continuing on. Springsteen, the E Street Band, according to
Perfect.
Bruce,
That's great.
will continue on even when this tour wraps up. But yeah, we'll see them
When do
here
you think,
in
like,
November at the Scotiabank Arena.
I think you're
Lot
like
of go on cue.
2.5 weeks.
Over once we get on the groove, get everything fucking flowing.
The wall was the shittiest, slowest part. The rest of this is a lot of backfilling, and the patio's all square too. And then the side, even like you can drag it backwards past the fence.
Oh, speaking of that, Jordan was asking me, does he need to put another board on that fence? On the bottom?
I don't know. We'll have to shoot the grade and see.
So judging where the neighbors is, he's way below the bottom of the fence already.
Who is Jordan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Because we got to bury that pipe too, out to the front.
Yeah.
I was thinking if this one won't spin around in there, maybe Rob's will.
Basically, the dog head goes into the dog.
I paid off my Rob Havry credit account today with Tony Truck and Phil. So, like remember he has that little baby one? He used it downtown last year. I thought maybe that might spin around in that side.
I don't think it's much smaller than that, though. Like if you spin?
I don't know. I know it's smaller physically. It's only 28 wide.
Yeah, but even if you got the arm twisted, it's still gonna be more than.
Well, it's only 28 wide though. That, do you need a deeper window well?
Yeah, I was gonna pick one up tomorrow for it. I'll just
Okay.
wait until we get closer to this area and then.
Yeah. Well, I don't, like. Oh, he probably does need to put another board on
So
there.
anyways, I just
Yeah. This is where I was saying, like, you could drag it backwards or whatever. But, you know, like, well, even if you dragged it backwards and then walked over the hill, you could scoop it with the S70 and take it out, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to spin around then. Like, say you drag it backwards to here,
So far, yeah.
and then get out of the way, the S70 pulls it out, then you drag it back to here, get out of the way, and then you gotta dig the trench. But that trench doesn't have to be deep.
Yeah, as long as it's well graded.
But you, once you get all this out of here, you can dig the trench and put it to the side, then lay the pipe and push it back in.
Yeah.
Like you can almost do it as you, because you won't be coming in here again. This is all just stepping stones and river stone too, so you don't have to go. It has to be enough for a bit of river rock and stepping stones.
Yeah.
There's no like structure in here. Like we don't need to dig a base or.
No, we'll just dig it
Yeah.
out, put it on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not gonna have to do something here to keep the bucket.
So maybe he needs to put another board on there.
That's what he's saying, like probably these two sections.
Yeah. He's moving this fence an inch or something.
Yeah, from here up.
He's got to move it an inch this way. Okay. When's he planning on doing that?
Oh, who knows? He'll probably be. Well, I walked away as he was talking to him.